Hi, it's Pania. I'm going to show you how to make this cute bracelet that is adjustable so you can make it a little bit wider or shorter. I'm using the DMC cotton pearl thread in number 801. You'll also need some beads. I'm choosing this pearl, matte, and also pink beads for this bracelet. You'll also need a crochet hook size B 2.25 millimeter. You'll need some needles for jewelry or bead, and then you'll also need a scissor. So I organized mine here in sets of 6, each color in one set. And then you want to open up your needle and insert your thread through so that we can get all the beads onto the thread. So here I'm getting the pearl color, and then the pink, and then the matte color. Just gonna put all of them onto my thread here. Once it's all on, I'm going to take my needle off and I will begin with a slip knot. Get my hook attached to it, and I am going to pull 3 of my beads, so one set, as close as I can to my hook. We'll chain 1 here and then pull the thread to secure the beads in. So you want it as tight as you can. Here I'm going to do 1 more chain and secure that bead. So basically kind of like a double knot here. And we'll chain 2. And then half double crochet into that very first chain from your hook. Sorry, I meant second chain from the hook, which is the first chain you made. And then yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. So we'll continue with this, and this is half double crochet chainless foundation stitch. So you'll yarn over, insert your hook under the 2 loops from the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through all 3. And we'll do that for the next 3 stitches. So you should have 5 half double crochet chainless foundation stitches. I'm going to repeat that. Yarn over, insert your hook into the previous stitch under 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So there'll be a total of 5 half double crochet chainless foundation stitch for one set here. Now that you have 5 of those stitches, then pull 3 of the beads closer to your hook again, so you have 3 different colors here. We'll chain 1 and tug on your working thread here to secure it. Chain 1 and then tug on it again to secure it. And what we're going to do here is pull this working thread, the loop, and kind of wrap it around that pink center bead. This could be a little bit tricky, but once you kind of get used to it, you'll figure out how to get that looped around it. And then chain 1. So sometimes it comes off, but just wrap that loop over the pink again. And then make sure to tug on the working yarn to secure that around the pink bead. So you want to be tight on that one. And then chain 1 and then pull the yarn, working yarn again, to secure that chain 1. From here, chain 2, and then we're repeating the half double crochet chainless foundation stitch. So we'll make a total of 5 of those stitches. Once I'm done here, I am going to get 3 of my bead, so each different color. And I'm going to bring that set in, chain 1, and tug on the working yarn to secure chain 1, and tug again on the working yarn to secure those 3 beads in. And then wrap your working loop over the pink bead. This is always the hardest part, but you want to make sure to do that so that you have those beads aligned up on your bracelet nicely when it's completed. And so once that's over the pink bead, then you'll want to make a chain 1. and then pull on the working yarn behind the pink bead to secure that bead. Then you'll want to chain 1 again and pull on the working yarn, and then from here you'll make 2 chains, and then we'll make 5 half double crochet chainless foundation stitch. Once you're done making those 5 half double crochet chainless foundation stitch, you should have a complete set of the bead with the half double crochet section. So you should have 2 of those completed set already, not including the first set of bead. So you want to repeat that 3 more times to have a total of 5 sets of the half double crochet chainless foundation stitches and beads. So once you're done and you have the 5 sets, then you'll want to make another set of the half double crochet chainless foundation stitches. So you want 5 of those. Then make 8 chains. Then slip stitch into the very last half double crochet chainless foundation stitch. Yarn over. And then cut your yarn. And then pull that yarn through and secure. You can cut off the loose ends at this time here. I just want to make another knot just to make sure that it doesn't come loose. I'm also going to the other end to make another knot so that it also doesn't come loose. And finally, pull that yarn through and cut the loose end. And here you have this cute, simple beaded bracelet for the fall. I love this simple bracelet because there are several ways you can wear it. You can just insert one of those beads into the loop that was just made, or you can pull through the next set of beads to make it a little tighter for your wrist. Now I'm just going to try on this bracelet so you know how to put it on. So I'm going to take this off here, and if you only put in that first set of bead, it is quite loose here if you like to wear it looser. And then the other option is to pull the second set of bead through the loop so that you can have a more tight bracelet and also kind of a dangling tail here at the end here. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to Pania Crochets.